Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Microsoft Edge and confirming you're signed into the profile whose sync you want to change. Click the profile avatar in the top right. This exposes account options and a shortcut to settings. Once done, choose Manage Profile Settings or the small gear to jump directly to Profile and Sync controls. This puts you where you can toggle items, so you're acting on the correct account. Make sure you pick the profile tied to your Microsoft account before moving on, because sync settings are Now go into Settings, pick Profiles, and then sync to reach the detailed controls. You'll see a master sync toggle and individual toggles for favorites, passwords, history, extensions, and settings. Toggle the master to stop all syncing immediately or selectively switch off specific categories if you want partial control. You do this to protect data or reduce cross-device changes. Make sure to wait a moment after toggling so the UI commits your choice. Otherwise, you might think it's off when it isn't. Finish by confirming the toggles show the state you expect. If sync appears unchanged, sign out of the profile and sign back in. This often forces a fresh sync state. Once you've signed back in, restart Edge or the device to ensure services reconcile. If you still see issues, clear Edge's cache and verify your Microsoft account is active and without restrictions. That fixes most stubborn cases. Remember, logging out stops sync locally, but removing data from the cloud requires additional steps in your Microsoft account controls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.